Welcome to my today's session. And today I would want to teach you just something very simple, like how do you expand columns in Excel easily. This is what you need to do. This is what you need to do. Assuming you've got this kind of data, and then when you look at this data very well, you can't read this student's name in full. Fee status, how many? I mean, we have got words that cannot fit in a cell because the size of the columns here is very small, tiny columns. Then how do I do this? I'll say Control A to highlight the entire sheet, or I can even come here. When I'm here and I click on this, then I'm able to highlight the entire worksheet. And once I've highlighted the entire worksheet, what I need to do is basically to come in between here. All right, like between A and B, I'll be able to see a special cross there. I can come in between B and C. I can come anywhere here. So once I have this expansion arrow, expansion cross showing, then what I need to do is to double click. When I double click, what am I able to see? I'm able to see the student's name, fee status, and I can see this in full, how many students have paid, and I can see this in full as fees paid. So please always keep on watching this space, and if possible, follow, and of course, share this. There is so much to learn from us in terms of advanced Excel. If you're interested in our courses, our number, of course, is as usual, 0793 555 000. Thank you so much.